the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Good morning!
What's up?
Happy Saturday! Today is the 30th of September. And
yes.
it's been a while since our last vlog. And now we are here. Alam niyo ba kung saan ito?
Malamang ito ay nasa hotel.
We are here sa airport. And it's the time to go Japan. Magja-Japan na kami. Are you excited?
Osaka. Osaka ka babaeng nakotser. Hello guys, dito po kami ngayon sa Ontario, Canada. Makikita nyo naman sa ating likuran. Magandang lugar ito. Ito po isang train station. Dami po mga pasahero ngayon papunta sa
I-tour mo kami nga dito sa Canada. Anong meron dito? Terminal.
Bahay ng mga ito,
Canadian.
Walang.
May palm tree man pala dito sa Canada, no?
Oo, nasa loob pa ng sa loob pa ng train station.
Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
トベータ難波行きです。停車駅はリンクータウン、泉佐野。
Japan na kami. So currently, nasa train kami going to Namba station, and then from Namba we are going to the station nearest to our hotel. So medyo naguguluhan pa kami sa mga train dito. Takbo-takbo kami kasi this train, meron pala silang oras kung anong oras sila aalis sa station. So time now is I think 11:10 kasi kumuha kami ng ticket 10:59 and the train will leave 11:05. So grabe ang running marathon natin. But yeah, nakaabot tayo ng train. So papunta na tayo sa city. I'll show you the view.
As they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and go all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
So ito na ang aming room. So it's a simple double room. Non-smoking. So maliit lang siya, but it feels cozy naman. And mura na rin to siya. So this is corner room. We will see later. Ay, yeah, merong bintana, sarado. But that's it. So meron din siyang tubigan, initan ng tubig. So meron tayong mga tasa na rin. I think this is the fridge. Yeah, mini fridge. Meron na rin silang blower. Merong I think this is air purifier. The air conditioner is centralized. Merong TV na din. Full length mirror. And then the toilet. Ah, nice. So maliit lang siya, but merong bathtub. Japanese, of course, na toilet with complete toiletries na din. So it's okay na. This is actually not that expensive as well because we are not in the yung matao talaga na area. So this is a bit like a station away from Umeda, a few stations away from Dotonbori. Yeah, but it's good kasi this is I think around 2,000 something Thai baht per night, and it already includes two breakfast for two every morning. So that's all. Thanks for watching! See you in our next video. Ayaw na ni Taong Maitim magpakita kasi naghubad na siya. At siya'y pagod na. Pagod na. Time now is almost 4 p.m. and hindi pa kami nakakatulog since last night. Hindi kami nakatulog last night kasi kakarating lang namin ng around 11 kami nakarating dito. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.